Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Dead by Daylight if it's not launching, keeps crashing, freezes, or fails to start on your PC. We'll go through several solutions that can help repair the game files, fix compatibility problems, update your drivers, and reinstall the required Visual C++ components. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library, locate Dead by Daylight, right-click the game and select Properties. In the menu on the left, click Installed Files. Then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game installation and automatically replace any missing or corrupted files. Wait for the verification process to finish. Once it's complete, launch Dead by Daylight and check if the problem has been resolved. Solution 2. Right-click Dead by Daylight and select Properties. Open the Installed Files section. Then click Browse. Inside the game installation folder, locate deadbydaylight.exe. Right-click the executable file and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as an administrator. Also enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then click OK. Now launch the game again and check if it opens correctly. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will search for and install the latest graphics driver available for your device. Once the update is complete, restart your computer and try launching the game again. Solution 4. If your computer uses an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the application. Click the Drivers tab. Then select Check for Updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. Then launch Dead by Daylight again and check if the crashing or launching issue has been fixed. Solution 5. Open the link you'll find in the description of this video. Scroll down until you find the x86 version. Click vc_redis.x86 to download it. Then click vc_redis.x64 to download the 64-bit version. Once both files have finished downloading, open your Downloads folder. First, double-click vc_redis.x64. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Accept the license terms and click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. When it's complete, click Close. Do not restart your computer yet. Now double-click vc_redis.x86. Click Yes if prompted. Accept the license terms and install the program. Wait for the installation to finish. Once both Visual C++ packages have been installed, restart your computer. After your PC restarts, launch Dead by Daylight again and check if the issue has been resolved. Final result: that's all there is to it. One of these solutions should help fix Dead by Daylight if it's not launching, crashing, freezing, or failing to start on your PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Dead by Daylight tutorials, PC gaming guides, and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.